Hi everyone, my name is Akorede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. In the tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to make your own fabric face mask without sewing machine at home. You can easily make it by yourself. All I need for the tutorial today is this fabric, the African print, which is Ankara fabric, and my hand needle and the thread. So I'm going to fold this fabric into 4, but make sure you have enough fabric for your mask. I'm going to fold it into 4 like this, and I'm making use of 11 inches for my mask. So I'm going to divide that 11 inches into 2. That'll give me 5.5. So from this center now, from this folded center, I'm going to measure 5.5 round. 5.5 round. So I'll now connect it round. This mask I'm making is for adults. I'm going to explain the one of teen and child for you. So I'm going to cut it out. Now this is my circle now, as you can see. So it's now 11 inches. 11 inches. So this is the elastic that I'm using for it is 8 inches for the adult, and this is 14. The circle 14 is 9 inches. The elastic for it is 7 inches each. This is for the child. The circle for the child is 8 inches, while the elastic for it is 6 inches each. So I'm going to use the adult one to teach you how you will make your mask. So I'll now fold into 4 again, because I'm cutting it into 4. Fold it very well. Let it align on each other to avoid mistake, please. So I'll now cut into 4 like this. Very simple to make. So here is it. I've cut into 4. Here is it, as you can see. So I'll now go ahead and stitch this round edge with my hand needle. Going to stitch it with my hand needle. Let the right side face each other. So I will easily stitch it with my hand needle like this. Make sure you be careful while stitching, please. So I'll make sure I stitch it once more. To make it I finished stitching with my hand needle. So I'll go ahead and turn it to the right side. Here's the second one of it. I'll now place it on each other. Let the right side face each other like this. Make sure the right side face each other and let it align on each other. And sew all the edges with my hand needle. Now I'm done with the stitching. I've stitched it all around. And I'll bring it out from where I left open here. I'm going to bring it out to the right side. Here is it now. I'll now go ahead and fold this place in like this and stitch on it like this. So after that, I'll now give it a good press. So I'll now go ahead and fold this place in like this with 3/4 of an inch, and the second one I'm going to fold it in like this. But before folding, I'm going to place my elastic like this. But before folding, I'm going to place my elastic like this and fold it in like this before tacking it down. So I'll now use my hand needle to tack it down like this. But make sure you don't tack on the elastic for it to be moving around. So continue tacking. So I'm going to do the same thing on the second side of it. Put my elastic in like this and fold it before tacking. Let me finish with this one. Now do like this and tack it together to secure it. So I'm done with the both side of it. I'll now move the tacking and move it inside like this. I'll let it be inside like this for it to be neat. So the second one, here is it now. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. So the same process will be done on this teen and the child home. So guys, if my tutorial has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, rated by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. If you have any comments, you can leave it in a comment section below. Till I see you in my next video, stay at home, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.